Scientists have been able to uncover some of the greatest mysteries that surround our universe. However, one of the greatest unknowns that we still face is what has happened to the first stars. In this video, I will uncover the origins of the universe and the progress that scientists have made, as well as the individuals who are leading the charge for the quest of solving one of the universe's greatest secrets. I'm Connor, and this is Stargazer. While scientists have been able to uncover the mysteries that surround human existence, we still have many unanswered questions for the first stars that illuminated our universe. The first concept that we need to discuss is the different kinds of populations of stars that exist in the observable universe. Population 1 stars are the youngest in the galaxy, and our own Sun falls under this category, and Population 1 stars are still forming to this day. On the other hand, Population 2 stars have a very heavy abundance of elements, and this correlates to their age. Population 2 stars are the oldest stars that we have been able to observe in our galaxy. And that leads us to Population 3 stars, which are the oldest stars to have existed in the universe, and the only population of stars that scientists have not conclusively been able to discover. Scientists believe that the first stars to form in our universe look something like this. Bright flashes with a composition of what is believed to be only hydrogen and helium, which ultimately led to a vicious explosion that led to the first stars in our universe. Scientists believe that these first stars formed 100 million years after the Big Bang, and that these stars were incredibly large. So what has happened to these stars? Can we still find them? And if so, what progress have we made? Well, two scientists have taken this question seriously and have begun to search extensively for the remains of these colossal stars. MIT professor Dr. Alan Rogers and Dr. Judd Bowman and their incredible team have created a device that they believe can locate these first stars, and it looks something like this: an antenna that is able to listen for particle radio waves that humans can detect. Before the first stars formed, the universe was filled with hydrogen and light. The light was the leftover remains of the early hydrogen molecules. This light is known as the cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMB. The CMB is the oldest light that we can see in the observable universe. In order to see this light from the original hydrogen gas molecules, you have to look for a particular photon. Using the antenna, they had to discover a distinct photon, and these photons measured 21 centimeters in length. This particular photon releases or absorbs when the ground state of the electron and hydrogen flips its spin direction, which creates a radial light measurement of 21 centimeters. As the equilibrium continued, this meant that the 21 centimeter radial light waves and the CMB were mixed together, making the two nearly indistinguishable. After a short time, short in the universal clock, some of that hydrogen gas broke away to form the very first stars. The first stars that did form created an ultraviolet light that changed the electron spin temperature. This ultimately led to gas absorbing more 21 centimeter photons and eventually caused black holes to form, and they begun to emit X-rays that engulfed hydrogen molecules. This got scientists thinking. There should be a time period when these 21 centimeter photons were being destroyed. Dr. Rogers and Dr. Bowman believe that they should be able to detect this drop in the CMB spectrum. So that's exactly what they looked for. After extensive research, they were able to record this. The drop that they recorded occurred between 180 and 270 million years after the Big Bang, which would have been the time period when these first stars were forming. Dr. Rogers and Dr. Bowman's extensive research has given astronomers the knowledge and the belief that we could detect these first stars. Their work is truly unprecedented and will forever shape the way we look at the universe. While it can sometimes be exciting to get caught up in the future of space exploration, it's important to take a step back and examine the origins of the universe. Because if we cannot understand our past, we will never be able to truly move forward. Thanks for watching.